Hey lovelies, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Nicole from Betsy and Francis, and we teach conscious small business owners how to market their business and how to turn their purpose into profit. Today we're going to be teaching you about the Instagram algorithm hacks for 2022 so you can continue to grow organically. So if you're struggling with profile visits, engagement and followers, this is the video for you. Now, the first most important thing for growing organically on Instagram is content. What content are you putting out there? Now, you want to create content that has high saves and high shares. This for Instagram is seen as really valuable content that your audience love and are willing to share and also save to look back on for later. So take a look at your audience. What do they want to see? Who are your dream customers? The best thing to do for this is actually find out who they are, head onto your story and do polls and questions. Find out what content they want to see. They're going to give you the content creation that you need to actually grow your audience organically. A lot of our clients say, I don't know what content to create. I don't want to sound like a broken record. I don't want to feel like I'm creating too much. You can never create too much content. And just because another brand similar to yours is creating similar content doesn't mean that should stop you creating your own individual authentic content. You might sound like a broken record, but don't forget, you're so close to your business. No one else is across every single touch point within your business. They're not going to read every email, post, story, Pinterest pin you put out there, okay? So just remember that content for you that sounds repeated and sounds like a broken record isn't for them. Now, the second is consistency and frequency. How much are you posting? If you're only posting once a week, you're not going to see any organic growth. You're probably going to drop in followers. Your audience have so much to choose from. There is so much content being thrown at them that if you're not posting enough, you're never going to stay top of mind. You're not going to be seen as reliable. So the more content that you can put out there, the better. The more chance you have for that content to be saved and shared, reposted, bringing lots more dream customers your way. Now, the third one is leveraging other social platforms to drive traffic back to your Instagram. How can you start driving as much traffic organically back to your profile to grow your audience that way? The best thing to start with is Pinterest. Every single post you put on Instagram, make sure that you share it straight to your Pinterest account. You can do that through the little share button, put it straight through to your account and start driving traffic that way. We get a lot of people find us through Pinterest that start to follow us through Instagram. The fourth one is using Instagram to connect. Now, it's a social platform. They don't want you to use your customers and leave. They want you to actually be social, create a community. Now, the best thing we found to do to find aligned dream customers and audience and grow our following that way is to actually head over to our competitors' profiles. Now, head over to your profiles that you feel are in aligned with who you are. They have similar dream customers to you, and go onto their list, see who follows them, and actually go onto a few of the profiles of the people that follow them. Now, click, like, comment something thoughtful, ask a question, start to build a conversation with potential dream customers. Now, the chances are they're going to come back to you, follow you, and actually you can get new customers that way. Now, the fifth one, which you probably guessed it, is Reels. Now, Instagram is really pushing video content still and is definitely not changing for 2022. The more video content you can do, the better. Think IGTVs, lives, Reels, whatever you can do to get your message out there. These are mindset issues that are stopping you doing this. So please commit to yourself to start doing Reels. You might not know what you're doing at first, but you will get the hang of it and you're going to see a massive amount of followers and engagements from this, and that's just going to spur you on. Now, don't forget, for all of what we just chatted about, it's really important that you just build community. You ask questions, you engage with people, you have call to actions on your posts, captions and videos. Whatever it is, it's a community Instagram wants to build. So the more you can use it like that, the better. Now, if you're looking for even more support with Instagram, you can download our free content hacks PDF, and that's going to walk you through things that you can be doing in your business today to start seeing that organic growth and reach. Now, we post a lot of content around social media marketing and email marketing and Facebook advertising. If this is something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe. We put out weekly videos. Follow along for weekly tips.